In this video, I will show you how to sell items on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on Roblox.com. So just to note that not all items can be sold. For example, this item here, because this is generally on limited items, as you can see down here, you can see where it says resellable, it currently says no. It says this item cannot be resold to others. So if you want to actually go ahead and sell items, the best way to do this is from your Roblox home screen. You want to come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto inventory. Now, if you've got any items that you've created that you want to sell, for example, for myself, if I go onto my classic t-shirts, you can see a couple that I've created. Now, these are currently off sale, but basically what you're going to want to do is click on the item you want to sell. What you can then do is come to the three dots up in the top right hand corner next to the item, and you're going to see the option to sell here, if the option is available to sell that particular item. Now, by doing this, what's going to happen is you're going to receive Robux. Now, Roblox do take a 30% cut of whatever price you set your item to sell for. So for example, if you set it to sell for like 30 Robux, then Roblox is going to take approximately 9 Robux, and the rest will be added to your balance, of course, up in the top right hand corner of the screen. But that is a quick overview on how to sell items on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.